Hey there, in this video, I'll show you how to buy stock on Interactive Brokers step by step. I'll be using Client Portal, which is the web version. First, log into your Interactive Brokers account through their website. Click the Login button in the upper right corner of the homepage. You'll land on the Client Portal dashboard, showing your account overview and balances. Next, click the Trade button in the upper right corner of the screen. This opens the trade ticket where you can preview and place orders. Now, search for the stock you want to buy, type the ticker symbol or company name into the search bar at the top of the interface. Search results will appear if the stock trades on multiple exchanges. You might see several listings. Click on stock beneath your result to confirm you're trading the stock itself, not options. If multiple exchanges show up, pick the one that matches the exchange and currency you want. Click the Buy button to set up a purchase order. The order ticket background will turn blue when Buy is selected. Enter the number of shares you want to buy in the quantity field. You can enter either a number of shares or a dollar amount. Use the button to the side to switch between shares or dollars. Interactive Brokers supports fractional shares for eligible stocks. Select your order type from the Type dropdown. Market orders execute immediately at the current market price. Limit orders let you specify the maximum price you're willing to pay. If you choose a limit order, you'll need to enter your limit price in the limit price field that appears. Configure the time in force setting if needed. A day order stays valid until the end of the trading session. When the market closes, any unfilled portion cancels automatically. Good till canceled stays active across multiple trading days until it fills or you cancel it manually. Day is commonly used for market orders. Click the Preview button to review all your order details before submitting. The preview screen shows the commission charge, margin impact, and all order parameters. You may see a mandatory cap price pop-up review and accept it if it appears. Finally, click the Submit button to send your order to the exchange. Market orders fill immediately at the current market price. Limit orders enter the market as active orders and fill when your price is reached. After you submit, your order gets smart routed across all available exchanges to find the best price automatically. To check your order status, go to Trade and select Orders and Trades. Your new position will show up in the portfolio section once the order fills. If your limit order doesn't fill right away, you can monitor, modify, or cancel it from the orders window. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.